In this video, we will be testing Zamzam water, and right here we will compare Zamzam water towards the lab deionized water, and also we will be testing Zamzam towards Walmart Great Value water, the one that you purchase from Walmart, and we will be testing also the New York City tap water. I'm gonna compare all three towards Zamzam. So we're gonna be starting with the lab deionized water. This is simply H2O. It should shows 0 particles. So let's adjust first our device ppm. So right now it reads 0. Once we test the lab deionized water, it should read 0 as well, because this water is chemically prepared to remove any particle from this water. So the maximum range we should be seeing is 0, maybe 1 or 2, but not more than that. So right now we're gonna be testing it, and it says 1. So that is acceptable. Basically that means there is actually almost no particle in this water. Okay, we're gonna be wiping this water off the device. Forgive me, I'm using just one hand. The next one is the drinking water that we purchased from Walmart, and I tested that before and it read around 35 to 50. So again, the device right now reads 0, and once we dip it in, it reads about 27, which is great. That means that water is very, very clean and acceptable for drinking. Okay, wipe it off again and just dip it in the 0 to make sure that we're not carrying over water from one cup to another. So the third one is New York City tap water, basically in Midtown Manhattan, and I tested that before and it should read around like 300-ish. So once we dip it, it's much better now. It's just 175, 177. So this is tap water, the water that comes directly from the tap. 177. Okay, we're gonna just wipe it off and dip it into our 0 to make sure that our device is reading correctly. And now we're gonna be testing Zamzam water. So as you know, Zamzam water is rich in minerals, and it's supposed to read somewhere around 600, 700, or up to 800, within that range. Okay. So right now Zamzam water, it's reading about 639, which is it does not prove that this is Zamzam, but if that number was like similar to the one that we received from here, then it would prove that that's not Zamzam. But in this case, since it's reading 646, so that is like a good indicator that that is the real stuff. Okay? Alright, I hope you have shown and you learned something new today. Thank you.